Using the formula, determine how many years to the nearest hundredth it will take to double your money if you invest 15,000 at 4.5% interest compound semi-annually. So we have the formula. A is equals to P times 1 plus R over N, raise it to the N, T. A would be the amount in T years. P would be the initial investment, or sometimes we call the principal. R is the interest rate, N is the compounding period, and T would be the times in year. So let's try to identify the variable. Invest 15,000. So this is the P. 4.5% interest. So this is the R. Or we can say R is equals to 4.5%. That means 0.045. Compound semi-annually. That means N is equals to 2. What about the A? If the initial investment is 15,000, and when we double the return, so the A will becomes 15,000 times 2. That give you 30,000. So let's put in all this number. 30,000 would be equals to 15,000 times, open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.045 divided by 2, and close the parenthesis and raise it to the 2t. Our goal is to find the t by itself. So let's try to solve for the t. Let's divide both sides by 15,000. So we will have 2 is equals to 1 plus 0.045 over 2, and raise it to the 2t. The variable is at the exponent. So how can I get the t by itself? We are going to take the log on both sides of the equation. In this case, I take the natural log on both sides. And now we can bring the 2t, the exponent, in front of the natural log, because we have the log properties. Okay? So we have this. And now the 2 is a number, and the natural log of the 1 plus 0.045 over 2 is also a number. So we can divide both sides by the number attached to the t, so to have the t by itself. So turn out the t will becomes the natural log of 2 divided by 2 times the natural log of 1 plus 0.045 over 2. So let's take a look at our calculator. We have the natural log of 2, close the parenthesis, divide, open parenthesis for the denominator, 2 times the natural log of 1 plus 0.045 divided by 2, close the parenthesis for the natural log and close the parenthesis for the denominator. Hit enter and we got 15.5756 something. And the question asking us to round it to the nearest hundredth. So that means we want two places. And we have to look into the third place and see if we need to round up or not. When the third place is 5 and above, that means we need to round up. So it will become 15.58. The unit would be years. So it would take 15.58 years to double your return.